welcome to JBA Motorsports YouTube channel.
Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we got a 2016 GT that we're getting ready to do some modifications to. As you can see, it's already got a few modifications done to it that the customer bought this car with. It's got a PMAS cold air kit. It's got an axle back. I'm not sure on the brand of it. The car will probably be pretty loud once we're done with this round of modifications to it. The car has a tune on it. I'm not sure from where. We'll be taking care of that with a remote session for Palm Beach Dyno to get that all dialed in for us. We'll be adding this set of JBA Long Tube Headers, off-road mid-pipes. 2018 Intake Manifold, which we'll be doing lockouts on. Then a Nitrous Express Plate kit. Gonna jet it for about a 150 shot, I think. Then along with that, we're gonna switch the car over to E85, so some bigger fuel injectors, colder plugs. So let's go ahead and get started on this. Now you're gonna swap your injectors over if you're going to a different size injector, that is. And on this car we're switching to E85, so we will be going to a bigger fuel injector. Okay, I think we'll just cut this video off right about here. I thought about doing this all as one big video, but I've come to the conclusion that it'd be a massively long video that most people probably wouldn't want to watch all of it in one sitting. So we'll end it there with the intake manifold being on. From there, we're going to do the nitrous install and the long tube install. I'll probably break those up into 2 separate videos. Make this a couple part series, even though it's done over the course of probably about 2 days. Break the video into, let's see, intake manifold, nitrous, exhaust. Then may walk you through the tuning process with Palm Beach Dyno, show you how their remote sessions work. It's actually a pretty easy process to get. Makes it real easy. You know you're getting a quality tune. So we'll work on that at the end. So probably about a 4 or 5 part series by the time we're all said and done with this one. So keep an eye out for the next one. Hit the subscribe button so you know when it's live.